here we have a ISEO, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I have done some work on this ISEO in that I've taken off the back turn handle that sat on the other side of this, and the reason why I did that is it's held together with two C-clips, and I don't have the correct equipment, and I often have to use sharp pokey things which leads for cringy moments of those who are going to watch this, near misses to the hand and whatnot. These are unique in that the warding on the right side makes it very difficult to fit a pick there. I'm going to be using two multi-picks. You may see me swap out between these two. It's multi-picks, community edition, a 5 and a 3 I believe. And we are going to pick from the left side on this one. So this is the RG6 I believe. And we've got a nice click on a 3. See what we can do here. I think I'm actually going to start off with a slightly wider flag. Number 3. Let's see what we can get here. Nope, not set. 3 wanted a set, but not set yet. Full set. Okay. Tap number 1. Excuse the background noise. The cats are going wild. Got a little bit of counter rotation on 4, I think. There we go. Lost our full set. Let's see if we can get it back. There we go. And we've got an open. So, a couple of interesting things going on there. There are definitely security pins in this. You can feel them, the number of sticking points that happen throughout the lock. You could feel that it's most likely spools on at least 3 or 4 out of the chambers. We're going to take this apart together. I haven't actually taken this lock fully apart. I've only prepped it to this point so that once I got this on camera we could do it together. So let's keep this in view and put it down over here. And let's see if I can get you a better view of while we got this thing. That should be a pretty good angle here. Zoom in a little bit for you. Okay, so let's see what we have inside of this. We are going to need a follower, that's for sure. Ooh. And something has happened which I didn't want to happen. We have all the pins popped up into the Bible. Okay. Let's see if we can. There we go. And that's all you've got to do. That happens. Most of the time you can get away with that. Okay. That was actually pretty smooth. Put that one side. That rest over there. Okay, we'll go from number 1. Tiny Dimple pins. Compared to, I've been picking a lot of multi-lock recently. These are very tiny. Standard pins. pin 2. I believe this is a green belt lock for those of you who follow the Lockpickers United LPU grading system. There is another variant of this lock, I believe, an RG7, which is similar, but it's graded higher. It's got more security features. But I can tell you that I've thoroughly enjoyed this one. So we've got 6 pins. All of them are standard on the key pin side, which is what I thought. There's no interesting counter milling or threading or anything. The chambers are smooth, as you can see. No additional functions. So let's see what we've got in. What we have in as our driver pins. Chamber number 1 is a spool, as we thought. Chamber number 2 is a standard. Chamber number 3 is a spool. Chamber number 4 is a spool. Chamber number 5 is a standard. And let's see what we have for 6. 6 is a spool as well. And now we can get our springs out. And I just kind of dump them out. I don't think on this level of lock there's going to be much variation between the different size springs in all the different chambers, so I'm not too concerned about the order. And that's everything that we can see in there. And a nice view of the inside. And let's see if we can get a slightly better view of how everything looks here. You should be able to see as the camera focuses. The spools are pretty well designed. They pretty skinny spools, so there's a lot of false sets that happen there, and that's why when you saw there was massive movement on the core in the one false set that we had. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Thank you.